Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush to Discovery Boss, and we're right here in the heart of OCHO RIOS, St. Anne's. And we know we're in Jamaica for sure. So what I'm doing is just drive around the town of OCHO RIOS, just driving around the place, so you guys can see exactly where we are. And just to showcase the town as well. So you guys stay tuned while I do that. Remember to also like, comment, and share the video. You know, that really helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend the video to persons that have never seen the channel before. So thanks to everyone for the continued support, for always watching, for always liking, for always commenting. You know, thank you guys for that. Highly appreciated. So we're passing Scotia Bank, we're passing some of the different plazas. Just past Island Plaza on the right. Alright guys, so stay tuned. And you know, hope you enjoy your drive through OCHO RIOS. National Commercial Bank on the right. Then we have rooms on the beach. This is a hotel on the left. Alright, so again, this is a drive through the town of OCHO RIOS. We have Little Pub Plaza on the left. And this is the town center, probably taxi stand, bus park. And then this is their clock. They're decorating their clock right now with pepper lights and stuff. So, driving through the town of OCHO RIOS. Remember to leave your comments, guys. I'm not sure how many of you watching is from OCHO RIOS, is from St. Anne's. Just let us know in the comment section if you are. Alright, we have Mother's Restaurant over this side as well. So, you know what I can't do? I can't show every single place. Just trying to show as much as I can. Alright, so there's some traffic here. Alright guys, again, driving through the town of OCHO RIOS. I'm gonna take this right turn here. So just trying to show you guys around the town center. and Fontana Pharmacy over this side. That was on the left. Alright guys, so that was just a quick drive through the town, around the town of OCHO RIOS, just showing you guys a quick look of the town. Alright, as usual guys, remember to like, remember to leave your comments, and remember to definitely share as well. And again, I appreciate all the comments and all the support. And thanks for watching guys.